My vow to my soon-to-be Mr. I love you, Vincent Luis, from the day na sinusungitan mo ako pag nabili ako sa tindahan ninyo. Dumating ka sa buhay ko nang hindi ko alam ang magiging direction ko sa buhay, kung paano mag-desisyon para sa sarili ko. Almost lahat ng hardship sa buhay ko, andyan ka para suportahan ako.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
My love, my best friend, my everything. Today I stand here before you. I am overwhelmed with gratitude from the moment we met. You have been my anchor, my partner, and my greatest blessing.
I'll be a dream, I'll be a wish, I'll be your fantasy. I'll be a hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I love you more with every breath, truly, madly, deeply do.
Andyan ka palagi hanggang yakapin para patahanin sa pagyak. Kasi nga ayaw mo akong nakikita umiyak at nasasaktan.
Reason for living, for deeper meaning.
I vow to celebrate our victories, lift you up when life gets heavy, and be partner you receive.
I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Simula ngayon, mahal, nangangako akong ikaw ang pipiliin sa araw-araw. Sasamahan kita sa lungkot at saya. Iaalay ko ang buhay ko para sa iyo hanggang pagtanda, kasama ng ating magiging anak.
Pleasure and the certainty that we're surrounded by the comfort and protection of the highest powers of lonely hours. The tears devour you. I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me. 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 Until the sky falls down on me.
With you, I found my home. I am so blessed to call you my forever, and I can wait to continue the journey with you and our little Vera by our side. I love you today and always.
I pronounce you as husband and wife. May you kiss now the bride. Kiss the bride. Palakpakan po natin.
Okay, di ba?